and the promo code because you're using the link. So by doing this, you are only paying how much? $187 in all. So this is what you will be paying to get your incorporation done. And hi friends, in today's video, we will see how to incorporate business in Canada, that is federal incorporation. And when you're doing this, in case you want to ask question, you want clarification, you need hand-holding, then this website is perfect. And not just that, by using the link given in the description, you will get a 15% discount at the time of checkout. So which you will get to see in the video. And by doing that, you will come to this website, click get started. Here you tell about your business, whether it is existing or new. I'm going with new, and then province you select where your location is. So here I'm selecting Ontario. There are other provinces given in the list, and choose your province. And once that is done, click next. You get to compare the options here between incorporation and sole proprietorship. I'm sure you would have done your research. If not, you can go through this, what you get in incorporation, what you get in sole proprietorship. So for today's video showing incorporation, I select this, and here about your company, I want named company. So you have two options here, named and numbered. In today's video, I'm showing the named company. Named company has one extra step. So numbered company is much easier. You will be automatically assigned a number. You don't have to break your head. Comes to named company, you will have to do little research because the name must be unique, must contain a distinctive element and descriptive element. So there are some legal requirements. How you can do that you will get to see in this video. In my case, my company name is called Cypher 40 Consulting, and from this drop down, you can choose any. I will keep it as limited, and then you see here it shows a green tick and confirm. So the name satisfies all legal requirement and has passed preliminary naming search test. So once this is done, what you need to see here is how it is distinctive and descriptive. In my case, Cypher 40, it conveys, Cypher is encryption and 40 is fortification. So it conveys that it is a cyber security company, and when I add consulting, it shows that it is a consulting company, and then limited gives that legal. So once this is done, click next, and here you enter first name, last name, email ID, and pass. And then if you want this, you can check or uncheck. Once this is done, come down and click sign up. So we come to this page, and here on this page, I see there is some issue with uppercase and lowercase, which I have not taken care. I will correct this as we proceed with the video. You will get to see that in subsequent pages, we will get option to correct this, and the way we write, that is how it will come in the legal document. So make sure you write correctly. And then these are the steps which we will be doing. To make this video fast, what I have done is I have already filled in the detail like phone number, address, and also I am a Canadian resident. Who is Canadian resident? Include citizens and permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. You can read more. So I have chosen this as I am a Canadian resident, and then I click next. We come to corporate information page, and here my company will be Federal Canadian Corporation based in Ontario. Then you have your street address, which is a registered head office address, which you had given input initially, that will reflect here. And then when it comes to my company will operate in, from this drop down, once you click on the drop down, you have multiple options. Choose the closest business you think yours is. In case you don't know, you have a chat and phone option here. You can connect with them and get confirmation on what it is. So I'm selecting consulting and business service in my case, which is closest to what I do. And then the company's fiscal year end date will be last date of. I'm keeping it as December to have this January to December financial year cycle. There's one more option which you have. You can check whichever cycle you want. I'm going with December, and with that, click next. Now we come to the name confirmation page. I want named company. I'm keeping as it is. If you have numbered company, then you will not get this company name option. It will just show up, I want numbered company, and then you go ahead the next step. Now here, my company will be called, I'm making this capital here, then capital here, and just correcting that. And with that, once I know that, okay, this is the name I want and I had validated before, it shows here requirements are being met. Then I click next. So this company is a single person company. I will manage and own my company by myself, being as it is, and click next. So since I selected this director office, shares, all those things are automatically updated. Now, individual with significant control. Here, again, it's a single person entity. So I'm not adding any individual. If it is more than one person, then you have to add individuals and details. So here I'm saying add missing information. Once I click here, it says name and address information submitted below may be made public on Corporation Canada website. So you have to remember that. You will accept all the details and enter the date of birth. So here date of birth field is the only field which was not earlier filled. So that detail gets filled here. Once the date of birth field is filled, click save. So we are on the additional information page, and if you remember the question where it was asked, are you a resident Canadian? So this will reinforce that part. So you can be a citizen of any other country, but for the tax purpose you have to be in Canada. Only then you will be able to go with this option. Otherwise it's a little complicated one, so you may have to consult with the expert. So you can reach out to them and ask what to do in my case. So for example, I'm saying citizenship of India, and for tax purpose, jurisdiction tax purpose, Canada. Once I have entered this detail and click finish, so the detail has been filled, and here this has been striked. You see here, now this shows green tick, that is requirement has been completed, and click next. Now we are on the choose your plan section, and you can see here government registration fee is $200. The legal formation fee is $299, which is one-time fee. And in the next page, you will see how you get the discount. The annual subscription, if you go with the starter business plan, which is one online minute book plan, this is free for the first 1 year, and after that it renews at $199. And for the growing business, it is $499 for the first year and $599 for the subsequent. So I will be going with this free plan, and you also save $300 instantly by opening a RBC bank account, which you will see in the next page. So select plan. Now we see the discount has been applied. So government registration, legal formation, 1 year own subscription, which is free. Then RBC bank account, because you're opening RBC bank account, you're getting $300 additional discount, and the promo code because you're using the link. So by doing this, you are only paying how much? $187 in all. So this is what you will be paying to get your incorporation done. And you see the discount has been applied. Once that is done, you click next. And here you enter the payment information, your credit card. Also, you need to remember, once we come down here, by clicking next, you agree to open a RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged remaining $300. So remember this. So if you don't want the account, if you uncheck this increases. You see here, this increases to $487. So I'll keep it as it is and then pay now. So once the payment is done, the next part is name reservation, and you go and you reserve your name. And once that is done, sit back and relax. Owner will take on from there. They will get your documents done. And once it is ready, they will intimate to you over email. So once that information comes to you, your business is registered. Now with this registered business, the next step, logical step, is to get the BIN, business information number, which you can get from CRA for free. You can go and watch my video. I will share that in the link. Once you have your incorporation detail and you share that with CRA, you will instantly get your BIN. And in addition, if you have to do annual filing every year, costs $12, which you will be able to do watching my videos. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Do let me know through your comment, and thanks for watching. Friends, do check out my website canadatriedandtested.com, which I keep updating from time to time. And as you can see, I have organized everything in a way easy for you to find based on the topic of your interest, be it business, be it Canadian citizenship, and anything and everything what you would be interested in. Baby related, immigration tools, anything related to Mississauga, Toronto, personal finance, or even saving. So don't forget to check out the website. This will be quite useful in your search.